yeah, this is happy birthday to Lydia. A bit of special trip. Thank you so much. Like you all did. Thank you so much. And 32 tomorrow, my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lydia. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
Nice Scorpio, right? Scorpio women, my favorite. Tonight, anyway. Anyway, I gotta do I had a request. I've had a couple of requests actually. One to shut the fuck up and get on with the music. And one for this is a song called Switchblade Memories. And I couldn't quite remember the lyrics, so my friend Marcus luckily found it on Spotify or somewhere. And it's a funny song because when I did the album 7, it was a difficult. I did all my vocals in one day because my brother was around, so I just wanted to get the fuck out of there. So, and they'd say to me, Jay, got any songs? I go, yeah, I got the songs. Well, I'd sing them. And they'd go, oh, I need something else. And so I got another song and they joined 2 songs together, which I don't think works. You know, I listened back to it and I said, no, that doesn't work. So I'm going to do the way I wrote it. And this is for RG, who likes it. Who came all the way from Rotterdam, right? So this is, if I fuck it up, it's your fault. Because I haven't played it for many, many years. I played it when I lived in New York, so. But the chords, some are borrowed from a certain George Harrison, so, but he probably stole them from somebody else, so. We're all guilty in the end, aren't we? It's Friday morning, 3 a.m. The crowds have all gone home. It's just you and I. We're up on our own. We could go to a bar, talk to friends and lovers that we lost so long ago. Cry. If you don't cry, I'll cry. Yeah, I'll cry. Switchblade away, you won't cut me again. Baby, don't you even try. I'm tired and so alone. There's no time for suicide. There's nothing left here for you but an empty shell. Don't cry. Don't cry. Please don't cry. Don't cry. Crowd and I'm a fool. Tomorrow's dreams, they'll never, never come for you and I. 'Cause love is sorrow, love is pain, but how I long for love's sweet refrain. away. You won't cut me again. Baby, don't you even try. I'm tired, I'm so alone. There's no time for you and I. There's nothing left here for you but an empty shell.